In an exciting development for automotive enthusiasts, Ford has announced the revival of the iconic Capri nameplate, this time as a coupe version of the European Explorer EV. Set to blend nostalgic charm with modern electric performance, the new Ford Capri is poised to attract both longtime fans and new customers alike. The new Capri will share its underpinnings with the Ford Explorer EV, leveraging the same advanced electric platform. This ensures that the Capri will deliver cutting-edge electric performance, featuring a powerful drivetrain and a competitive range. The use of Ford's latest EV technology promises quick acceleration, impressive range, and sustainable driving, aligning with the company's push towards electrification. Design-wise, the new Capri will pay homage to its classic predecessors with sleek, coupe-like styling that retains the spirit of the original. Expect a modern interpretation with sharp lines, a sporty silhouette, and contemporary design elements that reflect Ford's current design language. The interior will likely offer a blend of retro-inspired touches and modern tech features, providing a nostalgic yet state-of-the-art driving experience. The cabin will be equipped with the latest in infotainment and connectivity options, including Ford's advanced SONC system. Premium materials, ergonomic design, and spacious seating will ensure comfort and convenience for both driver and passengers. The Capri is set to offer a range of driver assistance features and safety technologies, making it a well-rounded and secure choice for modern motorists. The return of the Capri as an EV coupe aligns with Ford's broader strategy of electrifying its iconic models. This move aims to capture the growing market of electric vehicle enthusiasts while also appealing to fans of classic Ford designs. The Capri's introduction is expected to bolster Ford's presence in the competitive European EV market, offering a unique blend of heritage and innovation. Ford's decision to revive the Capri underscores the brand's commitment to its legacy while embracing the future of automotive technology. The new Capri is anticipated to attract a diverse audience, from nostalgic buyers who remember the original models to younger customers looking for stylish and sustainable transportation. Ford's resurrection of the Capri nameplate as a coupe version of the European Explorer EV marks a significant moment for the brand. By combining iconic design with cutting-edge electric technology, the new Capri promises to deliver a unique and exciting driving experience. As the automotive industry continues to evolve towards electrification, the Capri stands as a testament to Ford's innovative spirit and respect for its storied history.